Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a self-made questionnaire. First, clearly define your research objectives. What specific information do you aim to gather? Next, identify your target audience. Understanding who you are asking helps tailor your questions effectively. Determine the type of data you need, whether qualitative or quantitative. Finally, consider the questionnaire's length and the time commitment required from participants, aiming for a completion time of around 5 to 10 minutes for most surveys. Now, let's focus on crafting effective questions. Always use clear, concise, and unambiguous language to prevent misinterpretation. It's crucial to avoid leading or biased questions, as these can skew your results significantly. Incorporate a variety of question types, such as multiple choice, Likert scales, and open-ended questions, to gather diverse insights. Every question should directly relate to your research objectives, ensuring you collect only necessary and valuable data. Structuring your questionnaire thoughtfully enhances the participant experience. Start with a brief introduction explaining the survey's purpose and assuring anonymity, which can increase participation. Group similar questions together logically to maintain flow and reduce cognitive load. It's often best to place any sensitive or demographic questions towards the middle or end after rapport has been established. Always include clear, easy-to-understand instructions for completing each section. Finally, testing and refining are critical steps before widespread distribution. Conduct a pilot test with a small group of 5 to 10 individuals from your target audience. Gather their feedback on question clarity, flow, and overall ease of completion. Use this valuable input to revise and improve your questionnaire, ensuring it is as effective as possible. A well-tested questionnaire typically achieves a completion rate of at least 80%, yielding reliable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.